Being single is not really a problem for me. Believe it or not. Nai-immaturean nga ako sa mga taong lungkot na lungkot kapag wala silang jowa. Sure, it's nice to have someone to be with you, but there are so many things na you can't do when you are taken. Lagi ko na lang iniisip, I don't want to be responsible with someone else or for someone else when I'm not yet even responsible myself. I don't want to plan for two kung hindi ko pa nga naaabot, or at the very least man lang, naiisip kung anong gusto ko in the future. My independence, my freedom, it gives me time. It buys me time. Kasi naniniwala ko na kung para na sa akin, dapat ready na din ako. Yung tapos na yung me, natapos na yung I, so that I can be ready for us. So for now, I'll enjoy and be proud na nasa biyaheng single ako. Gusto ko yung way of thinking niya. Kasi sa Nica, hindi siya infatuated by the idea of being a couple. Na kapag February 14, kailangan meron kang date. Na kapag Christmas, meron kang i-kiss under the mistletoe. Hindi siya interested dun sa, kung tatawagin natin, ay juvenile kind of relationship. Ito yung kilig-kilig lang, flowers, chocolates, teddy bears. Nakatingin siya sa long-term kind of relationship. And she's not really bothered by the fact na hanggang ngayon, hindi niya pa na-experience yung feeling na meron siyang jowa. And the reason is not because, rather, siya ay cold-hearted or di siya marunong ma-in love. Or some people would say, sus, wala lang nang nililigaw sa'yo eh. It's because she wants to be ready and fully committed sa relationship. That's the difference between people who are immaturely looking at her to the mature way of her looking at love. Yung mga immature people will say, sobrang taas naman ang standards mo. Sus, wala lang nanliligaw sa'yo. Sus, kapag nandyan na yung lalaki, tignan mo ka, kikiligin ka din, bibigay ka din. Some people would say something like that. Pero si Nica kasi, she is not allowing herself to be in a relationship for a good reason. Kasi gusto niya, pag nasa relationship siya, hindi siya selfish. Hindi niya iniisip yung sarili niya. Gusto niya yung fully committed siyang makipagrelasyon. Yung na-figure out niya na kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari. So that the partner will no longer ask, ano bang gusto mo mangyari? Ano bang direction mo? She wants to be honest. She wants to be frank with life. I know it's too good to be true to plan your life ahead, but it won't hurt if pumasok ka ng relationship with an idea of how it should go. Kasi sa relasyon naman, aside from chemistry, compatibility, kahit papano dapat meron kayong plan eh. Meron kayong goal. Kung ang couple kasi pumasok sa isang relasyon na bahala na si Batman kung anong pwedeng mangyari, yun yung mahirap. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay patient enough dun sa figuring out stage ng relationship na kung ano ba talaga yung gusto nyo. Pero kung pumasok ka sa isang relasyon with an idea of what you want, meron na kayong direksyon, dalawa. Na eto pangarap ko kasi to. Ito, natapos ko na to. But this one is my next goal. So, dito, pwede naman tayong mag-goal nito pareho. If you are with me, if you don't have any plans, we can do this. But if you have yours, o diba, let's just travel together until we get there. Yung ganong klaseng relationship, my love, it creates a mature and responsible environment para sa magjowa. And I like that. 'Di ba? Analytical siya masyado kung iisipin mo. Wala namang ganyang klaseng tao. No, meron. Merong ganyang klaseng tao. Apparently, Nica is one of them. She doesn't want to control the relationship. She just want to have a direction. She wants to be there in a relationship. Gusto niya present siya. And the only way she can do that is if ready na siya sa individuality niya. Ready na siya with what she can offer in a relationship. Pag humingi ng time, meron siyang time. Pag humingi siya ng attention, meron siyang attention. Pag humingi sa kanya ng affection, kaya niyang ibigay. No questions asked, kasi this time around, she has completed her cycle as an individual before niya to i-share with someone else. She is already responsible and can take another responsibility over her shoulders, and that is a relationship. And it's not really so bad if people will be like her. Hindi yung pumapasok tayo sa isang relasyon na half-baked. Half of our body ay nasa future and half of our body is nasa past pa. Attached pa tayo by all the baggages na meron tayo nung nakaraan. By all the fear na hanggang ngayon dinadala pa natin because of our past experiences. We don't want to be bothered by that. Kapag nasa relasyon na tayo with someone new, we don't want the someone new to carry all the consequences made by the past. Kung naloko ka before, kung nasaktan ka before, natakot ka. And sa current relationship mo now, it manifests. Why? Kasi napaparanoid ka. Kapag hindi siya nagchat-chat, napaparanoid ka. Kapag meron siyang chinachat sa gabi, again, napaparanoid ka. Kapag medyo nagtaas lang siya ng boses, again, napaparanoid ka. Ang ending, hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Why? Kasi nami-misinterpret mo lahat ng ginagalaw niya kasi binabase mo yung mga reaksyon niya of today sa nangyari sa iyo kahapon. And that's a perfect example of not being fully ready when you are in a relationship. And that's exactly what Nica doesn't want for herself. So, ini-enjoy niya yung singlehood. Ini-enjoy niya yung freedom. Para kapag pumasok siya sa isang relasyon, handa siyang matuto. Handa siyang mag-sacrifice, handa siyang mag-compromise, handa siyang umintindi. So, my love, this is a good way of looking at your single life. 'Di ba? Parang, I'm not saying na ang babaw ng mga taong gusto ng jowa or ang babaw ng mga taong nangangarap magkaroon ng jowa. They have their reasons for it. I'm so sure about that. Pero yung hindi mo pa kabisado yung sarili mo, hindi mo pa alam yung gusto mo, hindi mo ma-figure out kung paano ka magiging responsible for your own good, and yet gusto mong magjowa. Hindi ka pa nakakatapos mag-aral, hindi ka pa makapag-stay sa isang trabahong stable, and yet, ang priority mo ay magjowa. That becomes a problem. Kasi I'm so sure na kapag nagkaroon ka ng jowa, maiiba yung direction mo eh. Magiging blank paper ka na malalagyan ng influence ng jowa mo. And if that's not your direction, if that's not really what you want, but that's the direction of your partner, you'll tag along. Pag nag-break kayo, may iwan ka sa isang lugar kung saan di mo naman talaga gusto, di ka naman talaga masaya with. Sumabay ka lang kasi yun yung trip ng jowa mo. And then you'll start back from scratch. Time wasted, effort wasted. For something kasi na ginawa mo biglaan. And that's the beauty of somehow preparing yourself personally before ka pumasok sa isang relasyon. So Nica, if that's how you deal with life, even if you have a goal, even if may direction ka na, alam mo naman siguro na there's just no guarantee in life. Life is full of mystery and surprises. And the things we know is different from the things that we will experience. But at least, at the very least, when it comes to yourself, secured ka. So no insecurities in the future. So sana kapag dumating na yung tamang panahon na yon, na ready ka na, life can give you a best partner to experience your first relationship with.